Hey guys, welcome back to the Royale app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix transaction and spending on Clash Royale app. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So for you to fix this problem, we need to actually clear our cache. Now, for you to do that, you first need to access your settings. And under settings, you want to scroll down a bit here and you want to look for apps. Let's go ahead and click on it. You want to click on manage apps here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to look for Clash Royale. Now, you could manually search for it in the screen that you see here, or you could use the search app section at the very top here. So in this case, let's go ahead and search for Clash Royale. From here, go ahead and click on it. And you want to go ahead and go to the bottom right here. Go ahead and click on Clear Data, and click on Clear Cache, and click on OK. Once you've done that, go ahead and exit this one. And you want to go ahead and open up Clash Royale and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Royale app. Thank you for watching.